I'm Kath. We are a family of 4, so mum, dad, 2 boys. Our previous kitchen was really dated. It came with the house. It was the traditional of the late 90s beige tans and just sort of really quite run down. Because I'd always hated the kitchen, I'd always had the dream, the vision and what I would like. We went to a couple on recommendation from friends and family, and they just never really got what I was looking for. Unfortunately, I'm one of these people, I'm a little bit overexcited about things, and they just never really got the bug. Didn't really come forward with any ideas. I went with my neighbour who was also looking to purchase a kitchen at the same time, and we arranged a meeting and we met Phil. Oh my gosh, Phil was brilliant. He grasped all the excitement, all of the bubbles, and he just really bought into the energy. When we first went into the showroom, it was really like going into a sweet shop for me. I was so excited. The products were really good. It was really nicely laid out and clear. It was just really easy to get energised when coming into the store and chatting with Phil. The vision was the pink smeg range, so everything had to work around that. So we got a sample of the colour, and Phil was brilliant with swapping doors, picking this up. He was just so amenable and always had an idea. It's a 1920s, 1930s house, so we did want something that wasn't outrageously different to the age of the house. It was actually my husband who suggested the faux in-frame look, just to make it that little bit different from a standard shaker. We are really pleased with the result. Having 2 young boys that I know are going to turn into hungry teenage boys, I wanted 2 larder cabinets, so we've got a couple of those which are absolutely bottomless. I can fill them still even now. Ralph, who was the installation manager, came out to see us a couple of times because the position of the boiler was so critical, and there was a point where I was really worried that something wasn't going to fit. It was absolutely fine. Carlo was our fitter. He did ours and next door at the same time. It was great. He amended bits. I suddenly decided I needed a cubby over the range, and he literally just didn't bat an eyelid, and then he offered to put one of the downlighters in it, just literally off his own bag. So, you know, he wasn't afraid to do anything extra at all. It was really, really good. This kitchen has completely revolutionised the way we are as a family. Everything has its place, which is a real treat. Pull-out cupboards which sit either side of the range for either oils, or we've actually used it as an extension on our tea and coffee storage. This island has allowed us to eat at the island without any problem, and equally you've got the opportunity to bake. So that's changing our life with a view to me starting a new business. I'd absolutely recommend Signifruit. I mean, Phil is just completely lovely. He's brilliant. I can't recommend him highly enough. His energy, his positivity. When it's somebody like me who's really invested, very excited because they're getting that long-awaited kitchen, he completely gets it. He wants to be on board with you. He wants to be joining in with all the fun.